Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking around an absolutely stunning Ferrari 488 Spyder that we've upgraded with Target Blu Eye, which is an emergency service warning device that alerts you guys on the road for all approaching emergency service vehicles marked and unmarked, plus the laser track flare system. So if you're new to our channel and haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So the customer has travelled all the way from Brighton to us to have his installation carried out, and the reason for that is because of the level of work that we carry out, plus these YouTube videos highlighting some of the work that we actually do on a day-to-day basis. Bear in mind, guys, we are posting a video every single day, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a feature or something that you might want to have installed onto your vehicle. In terms of the solution we've got here, guys, we've got something called Target Blu Eye to start with. Target Blu Eye is an emergency service warning device that alerts you guys on the road at pretty much all times of all approaching emergency service vehicles that is marked and unmarked. Yes, it is really that impressive. Plus, it's completely legal. In terms of the solution, we've got an antenna that sits in the front bumper. What's involved in doing something like that on a car like this is actually fully removing the bumper completely, removing the tub, and then running cables alongside manufacturer wiring through into the actual vehicle itself. Inside this main cabin, then it goes into a control box. Control box then leads up to a display. However, we don't settle at Cambridge Collier and CBS Automotive. We set new levels day in and day out. What we've actually managed to do on this occasion is integrate the Target Blu Eye display into the factory Ferrari 488 Spyder mirror. Yes, it looks incredible. There's nothing on the dashboard. It's really integrated. We've relocated the PCB board, added that into the mirror, and actually installed it completely stealth look, basically. It performs exactly the same. We mounted two little buttons in the bottom of the mirror, which looks really nice and it's really inobtrusive, but it's inside the actual Ferrari mirror. On these mirrors, well, we've done a lot of other cars like Wilfred's Zaha's Aventador and a lot of other different cars, even my own vehicle. There's different styles of glass, so when we take the mirror apart, we'll be able to see and establish exactly what level of glass level's in there. On these Ferraris and a couple of other vehicles, basically the level of glass, you've got two layers in essence, so the LED lights shining through aren't as bright as other cars. However, we've actually got another car owned by this customer coming in on Monday, and this filmed on Friday, so we're doing a little swap over the weekend, and that car will have that done, and that system will actually be a little bit brighter because that's a Porsche 992. So in essence, the system that's in here is a little bit more dull in terms of those LED lights, but it still performs really nicely. And that basically goes from green to red as you approach emergency service vehicles. However, there is a full YouTube video on the unboxing of Target Blu Eye and also shows you an integration into Living Life Fast McLaren 720S mirror that we did, and that video is already live on YouTube as well, so make sure you go check that out to find out a little bit more technical information about exactly how the product works. That's well worth a watch. In terms of that's basically a little bit of an overview on Target Blu Eye on the install on the 488 Spyder. However, we've also added in laser track. Basically, laser track on this system is a 2 sensor head system. We do a number plates around, or we do the 2 sensor head. Basically, in essence, it's an automatic gate opener. So as you approach any gate that you've got a sensor on, you will then automatically open it. So you can install that on a light at your home, or also a gate, which is more commonly done. That's installed on your gate by an electrician. And then we install the car side. We supply you the kit for the actual gate that you have installed by an electrician. However, as you drive up to your gate, it just automatically opens. There's no remote, there's no nothing. It's all completely automatic, which is a really nice solution. So if you're after something like this, you know exactly what to do, guys. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through everything in a bit more detail with you guys. So first of all, thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget as well, guys, there is a massive 10K giveaway, giving away a full brand new PlayStation 5 and Audison Prima amp live on our YouTube channel. So make sure you go check out the video. The details for that will be in the description below as well, so you don't miss that and be the lucky winner. We'll be releasing that as soon as we reach 10K subscribers. So help us get there by hitting that subscribe button, liking and sharing the video, guys. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.